Hi, my name is Eleni Katsoulis. I'm an attorney and I am the Secretary of HELAS, Hellenic Legal Assistance Services. HELAS is a pro bono clinic based here in Chicago to address the needs of low-income Greek Americans. To date, we've helped almost 250 families in various areas of the law, including but not limited to landlord-tenant issues, bankruptcy, immigration, domestic relations, and probate. Our goal is to provide help and assistance, representation, advice, and just generally resources to anyone who's seeking some sort of legal help. We didn't really anticipate or appreciate the extent of that need until we started the clinic and started seeing people come in. And each month we started having a wait list because so many individuals needed help. And we realized that this program was actually bigger than us, and we needed financial support in order to expand it and to meet the needs of all our potential clients in the most efficient and effective way possible. Oftentimes, we found that when people are in need of legal help, who do they typically turn to in their community? Oftentimes it was priests or lawyers that they knew. And often priests would approach members of the Hellenic Bar Association to ask if they could help in certain legal areas. And in talking with other members of the Hellenic Bar Association, we found that we were often getting these kinds of questions from members of the community or members of the clergy. Or sometimes even we would receive calls from the Hellenic Foundation. And we knew that we needed to do something to streamline this process and be able to more effectively and efficiently get people help that they need. And we did exactly that. A few dedicated members of the community, Judge Anthony Kyriakopoulos, Eleni Kumelis, and Tom Masuris and I got together and formulated a way that we can create a clinic that met on a regular basis to provide people the help they needed. We have our valued partner, the Hellenic Foundation. The Hellenic Foundation has generously provided us grants. So they've provided us financial assistance, but also they've provided us housing. And with that housing, we can meet with our clients regularly in a safe environment where clients feel comfortable talking to us about their legal issues. The grant allowed us to hire an administrative coordinator, and this administrative coordinator works on a part-time basis, and she conducts the initial intakes with our potential clients to determine whether they meet the criteria that HELAS has set forth. She maintains and cultivates our volunteer base. She connects potential clients with volunteers, and she maintains all the documentation that our program requires. Additionally, the grant has allowed us to create a website, and on that website, volunteers are able to sign up with us, and we maintain resources for the volunteers. For example, we get speakers to come in periodically to help keep us up to date with developments in the law, or we're able to identify weaknesses or areas that we need help. For example, we get a lot of elderly clients who need help writing a will. A lot of our attorney volunteers don't know how to write a will, so we do workshops. The grant from the Hellenic Foundation has allowed us to put on these workshops and also record them so that other volunteers have access to them. The Hellenic Foundation has also helped us create a fund for potential clients that need help. For example, we find that a lot of legal issues involve significant filing fees. A lot of the immigration cases have significant filing fees. So with the Hellenic Foundation's help, we've been able to appropriately identify people that need a little extra help and cover the significant costs associated with the help that they're seeking. We had a client that I've been working on for quite a while, and very near and dear to my heart, involved a woman that had come from Greece, and she planned to stay in America for a short period of time. Her minor son had very significant medical needs, and he had such a rare condition. Only doctors in Chicago can treat this rare condition. So she came on what's known as a visitor's medical visa. It was a 6-month visa, and the goal was to get her son the care needed and go back to Greece. The mother, who should have been just focused on taking care of her son, was distraught with having to figure out how to fix this legal situation. Just to stay a little bit longer in this country to get medical attention, it required a $1,500 fee. The Hellenic Foundation was able to provide that to Hellas, and we were able to assist and successfully help this family get the medical attention and be able to stay as long as they needed. And I'm excited to report that this was done successfully, and the mother and her son recently returned to Greece and were reunited with their family. And I'm still in communication with them, and they're very happy and grateful for the help that they received here. The Hellenic Foundation has been such an incredible partner in every possible capacity. Taking care of our community, planting the seeds, and not just allowing them to grow for the community, but just to thrive. And the Hellenic Foundation is just such an incredible group to work with. We really feel fortunate that we've had this opportunity.